Click on the link below to get price. The Backyard Discovery 8-foot by 6-foot cedar wood outdoor privacy screen wall is designed to enhance outdoor spaces while offering a degree of seclusion. This privacy screen is constructed from natural cedar wood, which is known for its durability and aesthetic appeal. Cedar is not only resistant to decay and insects but also features a pleasant aroma that many find appealing. This privacy screen measures 8 feet in height and 6 feet in width, providing a substantial barrier that can serve various purposes in your outdoor environment. Whether used to create a cozy corner on a patio, to shield a hot tub, or to obscure an unsightly view, its size allows for versatile placement. One notable aspect of this privacy screen is its design. The natural wood finish gives it a rustic charm, making it suitable for a range of outdoor aesthetics from contemporary to classic garden settings. The vertical slats are spaced in such a way as to offer privacy while still allowing for airflow and sunlight, which is particularly beneficial in warmer climates where ventilation is important. Installation of the Backyard Discovery privacy screen can be done by following the provided instructions, which generally include securing the screen to a stable base or wall. Depending on your chosen location, it may require some basic tools and time to assemble. The process is straightforward, although it is advisable to have a second person assist, especially when lifting the larger panels into position. Once set up, users often find that the privacy screen not only serves its primary function but also can enhance the overall ambience of the outdoor area. It can serve as a backdrop for plants, outdoor furniture, or even lighting elements, creating a more intimate space for gatherings or relaxation. In conclusion, the Backyard Discovery 8-foot by 6-foot cedar wood outdoor privacy screen wall presents a functional and aesthetically pleasing option for those seeking to enhance their outdoor spaces. Its blend of durability, design, and versatility makes it a noteworthy addition for anyone looking to achieve greater privacy in their backyard or patio area.